What's up everybody, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today I got my mini-me's here and we're gonna talk about motorhomes and more importantly, how awesome we made this Class C look. We're gonna walk through all of the things on this motorhome, break it down and show you, and maybe we'll have the kids teach you something new. Let's go have some fun. All right, so we're gonna start off in the front of this thing, show you all the killer pieces and parts, but I think I'm gonna turn that over to this guy right here, Caden from Growing Up Garage. Caden, tell us what we got going on up in the front of this motorhome.
So what we got going on, instead of the chrome grill, we have...
Gotta make sure you look at the camera too. You wanna make sure you tell them.
Black grill. And then we also have our Ford tube winch bumper with our Badland winch. And then we also have, if you guys want to install any lights for lights, we have brackets also on the bumper. And then there is a driving lights mount.
There's a, right here, see the hole? Yeah, so you can hook a driving light up to it as well if you want. It's also gonna have the recovery hook mounts on here as well, where you can put a D-ring shackle or use it as a recovery point. Overall, what is really cool about this bumper, what I like about it, is how close it is to the front of this. It's not sticking out really big, making it look just
weird.
Yeah, it looks weird and ugly. Overall, I think it's a big plus on how the front of this thing looks.
Yeah.
But what's more important, let's talk about some suspension. You wanna go help me with that?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. So I got Kendall here, she's gonna help me. We're gonna talk about all the cool stuff we did to this. I'm sure Caden will throw in his 2 cents as well. But what's the first thing that you're noticing is that this does have a really big set of tires on it, at least compared to stock. These are the Cooper Discoveries, and this is a 235/85/16 tire. Well, in order to fit this big of a tire in there, you're gonna have to do some modifications to the front end of this. There's gonna be a whole bunch of parts that go into it, but what do you like the best on this, Kendall?
I like the Fox shocks and the wheels.
And you know what's really cool about those Fox shocks is they got that awesome WeldTec Designs logo on it.
With the Growing Up Garage green.
Heck yeah, so you know, you gotta love that, tying in the Growing Up Garage and WeldTec Designs together. We have added a set of Fox shocks to the front of this. And the reason being is we lifted this up, and this is gonna have a 6-inch lift on it. This is our off-grid lift kit. You can see that we've added a bigger set of coils. What's nice about those coils are those are also a higher spring rate, so they're gonna reduce the amount of body roll overall that this coach has. That's going to be a big plus in it because we always hear that these things wanna sway a lot. The next thing we did is we did add a set of extended radius arms, and those radius arms are going to be longer and include new brackets as well. What that's gonna do is it's gonna push this wheel farther forward in the wheel well. Now it's hard to tell because we don't have a front bumper, but you do have a ton of room in here now with this new front bumper.
And then don't you also have Fox shocks in the front?
We did. We added a Fox steering stabilizer to the front of this as well to finish it all off. There is one more thing. We did do a sway bar drop bracket to retain that stock sway bar. And with this setup on the front, we're finding that there is no need to go to any aftermarket sway bars. So it's gonna save you a little bit of money. We did add the blackout package on this, which does include the blacked out hubcaps as well.
Really nice.
Which, yeah, it does look really nice.
And then it matches with the bumper.
It does, and even the mirrors and all the things on the side of it. So definitely a lot going into this Class C motorhome, this front suspension. Again, this is the off-grid. We didn't stop at the front. We did some stuff to the back. Let's head back there and check it out.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, so in the back of this, we did do some new things to it. I know Caden is super excited to tell you about it, so take it away, Caden. What do we do to the back of this Class C RV?
So we put some new progressive Leafsprings.
Right.
And then we also put our Fox shocks.
And what is ideal about these progressive leaf springs is why they're so important is the springs are actually built out to the weight of the RV. Typically on most of these RVs, it's just a generic set of leaf springs. So if you have a like 26-foot RV or a 32-foot RV, most of them have the same rear springs. Now you may find that the dealer or manufacturer of your RV added a overload spring or airbags to it in order to help increase the ride or ride level of it. That's what we see, and that's what we kind of get rid of in all of these. You can see that we're running the Cooper Discoveries in the back of this as well, but we did one other thing in the back of this, Kendall. What did we do to the back?
The new black hubcaps.
Yeah, nailed it. New black hubcaps in the rear. Great job. So a lot of really cool stuff that went into this, right?
Yeah.
Caden's over here farting. He's passing gas. Dude, what are we gonna do with this kid? Jeez, I can't take him anywhere. All right, let's go talk about this thing.
So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love this RV. I think it looks super nice. Pass it on to you.
Yes, guys, so I hope that you guys found this informative as we do videos on RVs and vans pretty much every week. And if you want to know more about maybe some of the specifics about RVs, you can go over to my channel, which is called Jeremy's World 10. You have your own channel. You didn't even plug that.
And then
What are you doing?
I have my own channel called Growing Up Garage, which is this. And then
Right there, Growing Up Garage. And
then
you can
it's-
check out Kendall on Growing Up Garage too, right?
And then make sure you follow me on Instagram, her and him.
Yeah, all of us are on Instagram. We'll put links to all this down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, right?
Yeah.
Kendall, what do you got to say?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.